Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Toxin in InVision's webverse. This powerful symbiote is a free character you can unlock by completing a special quest. We'll go through each step, from finding the quest giver to successfully claiming your new abilities. It's an exciting journey that rewards you with a unique character to enhance your gameplay experience. To begin your quest for Toxin, your first step is to find the non-player character known as Max Model. He is crucial for initiating the Recover the Stolen Symbiote quest. Once you locate him, simply interact to receive your mission. This interaction will set you on the path to acquiring the Toxin symbiote, so pay close attention to the dialogue and objectives that follow. After starting the quest, you'll need to track down the stolen symbiote. Follow the in-game indicators to its location, which often involves navigating through the city. Be prepared for combat, as the symbiote is usually guarded by several adversaries. Successfully defeat them, then approach the symbiote and interact with it to secure it. This is a critical part of the mission, so stay focused. With the stolen symbiote safely in your possession, your final task is to return it to Horizon Labs. Navigate back to the lab, following any remaining on-screen prompts. Once there, interact with the designated area to complete the quest. Upon successful delivery, the Toxin symbiote will be unlocked, allowing you to play as this formidable character in InVision's webverse. Enjoy your new powers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.